guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today we are making feta cheese pasta. So what you need for this recipe is 2 cups of organic cherry tomatoes. And I'm kicking it up, folks. I'm putting some olives, my favorite Kamada olives, on. So you need 1 cup of Kamada olives. You need some salt, pepper, and oregano to taste, and olive oil, extra virgin olive oil to taste. Then you need feta, a block of feta or just crumbled feta. And then you put some salt, pepper, and oregano and extra virgin olive oil on that. And then you bake it for 400 for 35 minutes. So now what we need to do is we need to let's get a fork. So you have to get a fork. So we put it all together. We mash it up, and then we put the pasta in. So let's mash it up. We stir it. And this is great. It went viral on TikTok and YouTube, but this is different. We're kicking it up and we're doing olives. They're best in class. Everything is best in class. The Kamada olives, the feta, the cherry tomatoes, but I think it's done. It's done. So put our fork and spoon rest. Now take our pasta and we put it in there. There we go. Now, mix it up. And now, we have some basil. But before that, we have to keep stirring so it's all mixed together. And this is a great dinner because it's all healthy and it's all good ingredients. So now we have some basil that I have from my basil plant. I'm going to just put it on there and mix it up. The basil just gives it a little flavor. And now I'm going to try it. So that is totally delicious and amazing. And everything that you can think of. This is hearty and this is amazing. So remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And comment down below if you try the Kamada olives and create new things. Create new cooking ideas. And yeah, so see you next time. Bye.